Be our 1,000th like. I was a 1,000 like for Amity Woods Animal Hospital. And got this bag of dog goodies. And so far, as soon as I set it down on the floor, some puppies came and investigated it. Let's open it. You want to come over here and help, Charlie? You want to help? What about you, Ginger? You want to help? Yeah. It smells good, don't it, Charlie, huh? There's something in there because both of you were in this. What do we got? Just open it up. Oh, all kinds of toys and stuff. There's a lot more in here than I thought. Look, Charlie. Look. What do you see? Oh, it's a dragon. And a puppy. Oh, did you find something? Oh, you smell something. What do you smell? What do you smell? Look. Here's a little stuffed doggy. Here's a little stuffed doggy. Good, I'm gonna eat it. Okay. Okay, this one. No, not that one. Ginger can have that one. There you go, Ginger. That one's yours. Okay. Hey, look at this. Oh, big dragon, Charlie. Big dragon. Got a squeaker in it. I gotta. Well, I can't squeak it if you don't let me. Got a grunter squeaker. Does that mean I gotta shake it? There's probably more to it. But here you go, Charlie. Here. You want that one? Ginger, you want that one? There you go. You're like, that's my mouth. What else did we get in here? Oh, look at this. Jerky treats. Love that. Doggy water bowl. That'd be good for tomorrow when we go to the parade. A cup. More treats. Oh. Oh, yeah, that's the one that you smell, huh? That's the one. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, shampoo. And a Kong for Charlie. She's stealing. She just took off with all your stuffed animals. Oh, okay. You really want this? Okay. Well, okay. Let me open it. Let me open it. You nosing is not helping. Getting it open. I know, Charlie. It smells good. Okay. Can you get down? There you go. You want cookie? You're like, cookie. Ginger. Ginger. Here's your cookie. There you go. Dogs like this basket. Now we got the dragon. Hey, Charlie. She's gonna get it. You want it, Ginger? You want to play with that? Charlie, you want the dragon? You want to get it? No? Ginger, take it. There you go, Ginger. Oh, you want more stuff out of here? Okay. Oh, you want those good? Okay, one more. That's it. Hey, you gotta get down for me. Get down. Sit. Sit like good puppies. Sit. Good boy, Charlie. Ginger, sit. No. Ginger, sit. Okay, you sit pretty. That works. Now we have Science Diet jerky strips of real chicken. Charlie's like, oh, I smell it. Get your nose out. Can you wait? Hey, get your nose out. I opened this one, and this is the one you really want now, huh? Sit down. Come on. Come over here. Sit. 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 Here. There you go. There you go. Ginger's gonna get it. Oh no, I just want to grab it so I can make it squeak. We didn't kill the squeaker yet, have we? There we go. Get it.